Hello viewers, as you can see I have taken some kinds of coloring bar here, red, yellow, sky color and so on. So already you have got to know that about which topic I'm gonna discuss is eyedropper tool and measure tool. What eyedropper tool actually works, as you can see there we have different kinds of color. As I click in the red color, it is taking the red color. How you will able to know? The red is 237. As you select the red, yellow color, this is, you can see this is changing as you are picking a color and the color bar is changing instantly. So for this, suppose this red color, let's just select this one. I just want this color to be blue or yellow. So if I click here, this color becomes the same. And also on the other hand, if I click here, it will get the white color. If you click in the color, this eyedropper tool will take the same color. And on the other hand, is you are searching for another color as this color, this is also have taken the color. So this is how eyedropper tool actually works. And let's come to the measure tool. Measure tool, what does it do? Let's just click here. So let's just understand it. If you click the yellow color, you will see the information here, X, Y, and the size of the box and the color and the rotation of it box. And the navigator, you will got to know there the full of the navigator you can see here. So this is just for measuring something, the tool, the size of it, the actual size of it. This is an eyedropper tool. It just takes, like if you select here and you take the color easily. So this is how eyedropper tool works. Thank you for watching, and in my next video I'm gonna discuss about the symbol spread tool, which has a huge part of it to know about it. So wait for the next video. Thank you for watching.